How to scan the QR code on CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code using CapCut. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Locate and tap on the CapCut app on your device to launch it. Once you're inside the app, tap the profile icon. If you're not already signed in, CapCut will prompt you to log in. Choose your preferred sign-in method: email, phone number, or social media. After logging in, tap the profile icon again. This time you'll see more options. Tap on Scan. If prompted, make sure to allow camera access so CapCut can scan QR codes. Once you are in it, then you have to point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. CapCut will automatically recognize and process it. Once scanned, CapCut will log you in or take the intended action linked with that QR code. And that's how you can scan a QR code using the CapCut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.